Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the water filter on an Aqua Optima. This is an Aurora machine. We're going to be using an Evolve Plus. It's supposed to do this every 30 days. It will filter around about 100 litres of water. Now you might well find that your machines come up with a little orange symbol down here. That will denote that you need to change out the filter. I'll just do a little screenshot of that now. And then once we've changed out the filter, you have to hold that orange light down for 3 seconds to reset the filter. So then it will know when to warn you that the filter needs changing again. So first things first, make sure you are unplugged. So we're unplugged from electricity. And we're going to be taking out the old tank here. So we're just going to be lifting it up. There we go. And I'm just going to empty all this old water out. So we're going to remove this old filter. What we have to do is we have to turn it counterclockwise, so anti-clockwise, just like this. And then it will pull out this way. So we need to recycle that and make sure you don't lose this rubber seal around here. Otherwise, the filtered water is not going to be filtered properly as it goes through. It's just going to be leaking through. Right, now, we're going to get our new filter. And we have to soak this in some water for 5 to 10 minutes to help get rid of the air bubbles. So we're just going to soak it in here. Just going to give it a little turn just to help the air bubbles come out. There we go. Right, I'm going to leave that now and come back in 10 minutes time. Okay, 10 minutes is now up. We're going to take it out and now we have to rinse this under some fresh running water for 1 minute. Now you might find that your bowl becomes full of tiny little bits of carbon particles. That's normal. And now we need to put the new filter in here. So we're going to be lining it up. It doesn't matter which way round it goes. It will fit both ways. And we need to turn it clockwise and then you'll feel it will go into place. There we go. So now we need to put this tank back into this one here. And we need to fill up to the max level here. So again, fresh water straight from the tap, drinking water. And I'm going to fill it up until it gets to the max. There we go, and you can see it's up to the max and it's already filtering through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that run all the way through and then I'm going to empty out all this water and then fill it up again, and that will be then the water I will use in the machine just in case there's any residue left anywhere on the filter. And if you have a look in here, you can see that there's loads of little bits of carbon. So that's all filtered through now. So I'm going to empty it out and then fill it up again. And fill it up to the max again with cold water. The max level's just here. Obviously don't keep filling it, it's just going to come straight out of these holes here. Right, so now that is done, we can now put it back on the machine. And push it down so it's nice and level with the top, and that way then you know you've got a proper seal on the bottom. So that's it, we can plug it in and use it as normal. Now when it comes to refilling normally, they have given you this little well at the top here, and the idea is that you can pour it in from here and then it can work its way into the middle. But when you do this, be careful that you don't put too much in here because the well's only very shallow. It doesn't take much water before this would overflow, and you don't want to get water onto the front part here because obviously it's a machine run from electricity. So yeah, be very careful when you're filling it up. And don't forget, if your orange lights come up, you have to hold down that button for 3 seconds to reset it. Unfortunately, I can't show you that in this instance here because my filter didn't need changing. I just did it purely for the video. I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.